Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Raft online with your friends. Playing Raft with others is a fantastic way to experience the game's challenges and adventures together. To get started, it's essential that everyone involved owns a legitimate copy of the game and has it updated to the most recent version. This ensures compatibility and access to all the latest features and bug fixes for a smooth cooperative experience. To host a game, first launch Raft and navigate to the Play Game option. From there, select Host Game to either start a brand new world or load one of your existing saves. Before starting, make sure to adjust your lobby settings to allow friends or anyone to join. Once your game is ready, you can easily invite your friends directly through the Steam overlay, or they can join you from their friends list. If you're looking to join a friend's adventure, begin by launching Raft and selecting Play Game from the main menu. Next, choose the Join Game option. This will display a list of available sessions hosted by your friends. Simply find your friend's game in the list and click to join their world. A stable internet connection will help ensure a quick and smooth connection to their Raft. For the best multiplayer experience, clear communication is key. Use voice chat or the in-game text to coordinate your efforts. Consider assigning roles, such as one person focusing on building while another gathers resources, to boost efficiency. Remember to share resources fairly among all players to ensure everyone can thrive. By working together, you can overcome the ocean's challenges and build an impressive raft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.